את המשחק בעוד 3, 2, 1, go!
And as we get started, your Red Alliance with the potential to score 3 more points than Blue. They have 1 more robot on level 2 than the Blue Alliance does. Additionally, we have an expert hatch panel placement by Mechanical Mayhem on the Red Alliance. They had pre-loaded cargo into their cargo ship, and they placed that hatch panel on before the sandstorm ended. That means they earned 5 points, 2 from the hatch panel, and 3 by preventing that cargo from rolling out when teleoperated began. Early on, the Red Alliance did have an edge, but the Blue Alliance already changing up that story in the match. All 3 Blue Alliance robots focusing on scoring points and grabbing objects and minerals from their loading stations. It looks like we are having on the Blue Alliance Black Magic Robotics focusing on the cargo ship, while Airstrike and the Y team focusing on rockets. The Y team grabbing hold of what will be potentially the 4th hatch panel for one Blue Alliance rocket, while Airstrike comes in with cargo to start loading things up. Red Alliance working hard on their own to do the same thing. Bumblebee with cargo mid-ship in one of our Red Alliance rockets. Their partners, the Dragons, trying to place hatch panels. Unfortunately, they lose one. It falls down onto the ground. They'll either have to pick it up or grab from a loading station. They are able to pick it up off the floor and are trying again. That persistence does pay off. That hatch panel now placed for your Red Alliance. T-minus 50 seconds, and both alliances with 59 and 55 points. Red Alliance with that 4-point edge with 45 seconds to go. It looks like the Red Alliance trying to see if they can load up a rocket before the end of the match. The Dragons in with another hatch panel, this time on the upper level. On our Blue Alliance, they're trying to do the same. The Y team still working together with Airstrike on one of their rockets. Both alliances with 20 seconds to go and tied at 62 points. On our Blue Alliance, we're seeing the Y team being able to climb themselves up to HAB level 3. In red, we see the Dragons with cargo up top, the Bumblebee on Red Alliance. It looks like they accidentally lift themselves up on the surface of the field. They're stuck in place at the end of the match. Alliance! With a final score of 95 to 85, the Blue Alliance takes home the win and the ranking points that come along with it. Your Red Alliance, though, will not go home empty-handed. They are able to score 15 points from HAB climbs. That does mean they'll get the